All right, we're shooting this video to show you a couple of different phenomenons on this leak detection. The first being that this customer just bought this house. There was another inspector that went there. There was a pool company that went there to do a leak detection. I don't think anybody knew what they were doing, and check out why. So this pool had an irrigation type fill on it. And when I say that, it had a regular irrigation timer that added water to this pool 20 minutes a day, 7 days a week. That's a lot of water to be adding to a pool. So whoever was doing the leak detection marked it, came back the next day, the pool was at the same level. Why? Because it was leaking, but it was also filling. And I don't know how they got that right, but they somehow did. So when you see one of these irrigations, you always have to look at the programming, look at the timing, look what they put into it, so that you always know what's going on with it. The other phenomenon that we did on this leak detection, as again, we listened, we went around, we used our mics that went in the pool, and we heard a leak at a spa jet. So the next thing we're gonna do is back ourselves up. We like to find leaks twice. So what we did was we pumped it up with air and water. We created that very distinct boil, of which here you'll see we're listening with the actual deck plate. But one thing I want you to notice is water started penetrating and started coming out where that child fence goes into the ground, literally around the grommets. Again, that's one of the reasons why I always teach, leave your eyes open, keep your eyes open when you're doing these leak detections, because you never know what you're gonna see, and that would be one of them. We dug it up, we're gonna show you exactly where that leak was in that pipe, check it out, you'll see it, but also know that it's always good to back yourself up and always look for situations going on where there's other sources of water being added to a pool, unlike from an autofill, float type, or any other kind of type. So again, moral of the story is keep your eyes open when you're doing these leak detections. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.